Okay, so expand and simplify 2y plus 3 times y plus 1 times 3y minus 1. So we're first going to expand the first two brackets. So I use my grid method and I've got 2y plus 3 times y plus 1. So I'm just going to ignore the second bracket for now. So I've now got 2y squared plus 2y plus 3y plus 3. So if I simplify that down, I've got 2y squared plus 5y plus 3. And now what I need to do is I've expanded this bracket here, so now I need to times all of this, by the third bracket. So it's going to be a super big grid method. 2y squared plus 5y plus 3 times 3y minus 1. So I'm going to have 2 times 3 is 6, and y squared times y is y cubed. So that's going to be minus 2y squared there. And 5y times 3y is going to be 15y squared. 5y times negative 1 is going to be minus 5y. And then 3 times 3y is 9y. And then 3 times negative 1 is minus 3. So if I simplify it down, I've got 6y cubed. If I look at my y squareds, I've got 15y squared, take away 2y squared, which is 13y squared. Look at my y's, and I've got 9y, take away 5y, which is 4y. And then finally, I've got my minus 3. I can't simplify anything any further. That's my final answer.